At Carymoor, we bring green issues to life all year round. Your class can experience wildlife on our amazing nature reserve. Learn why it's important to reduce, reuse and recycle, and find out ways we can all live more sustainably. A day at Carymoor gives children a unique perspective on green issues. A visit to Carymoor is all about contrasts. Since 1996, we've transformed 75 acres of capped landfill into a vibrant nature reserve. On top of 30 years of waste, we've created a range of habitats. The meadows, wetland and woodland on our nature reserve provide a unique place to learn about the natural world. Children can get up close to a working waste transfer station to see the amount of waste we throw away and learn how this is transformed into energy. Sustainability is key to what we do. Our range of sustainable buildings provide the perfect setting for learning. Your visit will be led by our experienced education team and will be packed with practical activities that the children will remember long after they have returned to school. Come to Carymoor to experience local wildlife on a wild day out. Our meadows are full of butterflies and bees, and as you explore the reserve, you might find a slow worm, grass snake or vole under one of our wildlife mats. During the summer months, you can visit our observation beehive and watch our colony of honeybees working away. Our sustainably built centre buildings are inspiring learning spaces and will be the base for your visit.
No, but that's not much green, it might be just...
Or transform your class into CSI investigators for the day. After honing their detective skills with a variety of challenges, can they then solve a case of wildlife crime? Learn the reduce, reuse, recycle message by visiting Viridor's waste transfer station. And experiencing our incredible time tunnel, showing the kinds of waste we've been throwing out throughout the decades. Learn about ways in which we can all make a difference at home and in school. Or bring your class for a history day for the chance to learn how we used resources in the past, by experiencing life in the Stone Age or as a Celt, Saxon or Viking. Your pupils can learn from hands-on activities, including grinding wheat with a quernstone, making a willow hurdle, or cooking bread over a fire. Across our site we have a range of beautiful spots to explore. Whether you are pond dipping at our stunning long pond, captivated by one of our story circles, or learning through fun activities in our forest school area, Carymoor has natural places where children can enjoy the great benefits of learning outside the classroom. For more information, visit carymoor.org.uk.